experiencing some gas or bloating or something uncomfortable in your digestive system, it could simply mean that you're not chewing well enough. It's important that we chew really well to liquefy our food. This way it helps our stomach and our gut health. Our gut is our gastrointestinal tract or GI tract, and we want to absorb our nutrients from our food. So if we're just simply eating really quickly, not even eating calmly, that our food won't digest well, and you might have constipation, you might have diarrhea, you might have stools that just fall apart, or there's food particles in there, so it's not chewed well enough. One tip that I have regarding chewing is that if you're having something that's already mashed or pureed, such as applesauce or a soup or a smoothie, is to still introduce it to your mouth, to your saliva. So just swoosh it around for maybe 5-10 seconds and then to swallow. I'm going to show you with my smoothie. I encourage you for the next 2 days to do a chewing challenge. So what this involves is you just counting how many times you're chewing your food before you're swallowing, any meals and snacks throughout the day. And then after the 2 days, to pay attention to how many counts you are doing, but to liquefy your food and then to swallow. So yeah, just observing how your chewing is going and also seeing how you're feeling from your full digestion to elimination and any symptoms that you might be having. Please let me know how it's going, and of course if you have any questions.